Welcome to CPC's AseptiQuik L Best Practices Assembly Recommendations video. Maintaining sterility in your bioprocessing application is critical. Follow these tips to ensure you're using the AseptiQuik L connector correctly. If the protective pull tab cover becomes separated from the connector during handling, simply snap it back into the hinges on the connector. If you can see the connector halves forming a V, or that the snaps are not flush with the backside of the connector, this means both sides are not fully connected. Just snap both sides so they are parallel. Ensure that the tabs are snapped together to eliminate the risk of accidentally pulling one tab individually. To remove the membranes, hold the outside of the connector and place a finger into the connected tabs and pull directly away from the connector. Make sure you don't pull the tabs at an angle, twist them, or squeeze the connector set together while removing the membranes. If you have more questions about best practices for assembling the AseptiQuik L, please contact CPC customer service at cpcworldwide.com/contact us.